Simplify each of the following expression. Root 2 plus root 5 whole square. Right, root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. So first is the question, root 5 plus root 2 the whole square. So few of the students, they tend to add this up and square it. It is wrong. Why is that? I'll explain later. So here we have to use a plus b the whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and where a here is root 5 while b here is root 2. So on expanding this, you will get root 5 the whole square plus 2 into root 5 into root 2 plus root 2 the whole square. So we have root 10 square getting cancelled. Right, here also root 10 square getting cancelled. Okay, so the logic is this. Root of any number is a to the power of half. Root of something the whole square is a to the power of half the whole square. So this is half into 2. So 2 and square gets cancelled. Right, I mean half and 2 gets cancelled. They become 1. Half of 2 is 1. So that's how we get to cancel that. Then 2 root 5 into root 2, this is 2 into root of 10. Why is it so? Because as per the formula, a to the power of n into b to the power of n is ab whole to the power of n. Right? So 5 plus 2 is 7 plus 2 root of 10. This is the answer. Okay. Now, why is it that we can't add root 5 and root 2? Say let's add that, right? Let's say this is right and adding this is right, root of 7. So let's assume it's correct. Okay. So proof by contradiction, we are doing that. Root 5 and root 2 is root 7. So let's see what is root 5. Root 5 is 2.24 approximately, 2.24 plus root 2 is around 1.414. Yeah, 1.41 is equal to root of 7. 7 and root is 2.65. 2.65. 2 plus 1 is 3. LHS is not equal to RHS. Clearly, on simplifying, we are adding it up and we can clearly see that LHS is not equal to RHS. It's a false statement. Right? Since LHS is not equal to RHS, but I have written equals to over here. So this is a false statement. Why did we get a false statement? Because our assumption is wrong. Our assumption is wrong. Okay, so this is something that you guys have to keep in mind, that you cannot add this. Any math issue, any math basics issue, if you have, all you can do is take simplest possible set of numbers other than 1 and 2 and 1 and 0. If you start off with 5, 6, single number, but 5 to 9, if you guys can use that preferably for a suitable situation. And you can verify that using calculator. So you can always back on your calculators, right? So it's okay to learn this way. It's not that calculator is banned. It's not so. So, but improving basics is very important. Also, this chapters, they are introduced so that you guys learn the basics, and this will be used aramse in the future in higher grades as well. So learning the basics, writing the formulas and repeating it few times is okay. It's not like you have to repeat the entire year. When you're learning it, learn it properly. Then after that, I'll be rushing. Any teacher will rush because that has been taught well. You guys should have learned well. And so using it again should not be that difficult. So when you don't know things, you feel it's rushed. When you know things, you feel yes, it's a revision. You got it? So you need to get strong with your basics, and when it's taught, learn it well, do it well, practice it well. Okay, so before a teacher does the problem, try to do it, and if there is a mistake, correct it. If there is not a mistake, then you're learning and appreciate what you learned. So this is how you make math easy, by learning the basic strong, getting your basic strong.